Today, I will share with you how I have been able to release people and titles from my life in order to create the picture of my future that I am proud of. One of those ways has been through daily affirmations. The loudest voice that we hear will be that of our own. And so why not reshape it and train it to be a positive one? Today, our focus is on thinking bigger, going beyond our past, going beyond what we were taught or conditioned to believe of ourselves, and tapping into the infinite possibilities of what can be. You can change your path. You can create a new you. Transformation is a part of this journey. Change is the only constant. So I want you to find your place, wherever that may be. Your car, your closet, your mat, bed or couch, wherever you feel most at ease with yourself. I want you to take a deep breath, in through your nose and out through your mouth. And journey with me through these affirmations to reframe your future. I will state each affirmation twice with a short pause in between. Here we go. I love myself unconditionally. I love myself unconditionally. I am worthy of love and respect. I am worthy of love and respect. I honor and value myself. I honor and value myself. I am proud of who I am. I am proud of who I am. I am confident in myself and my self-worth. I am confident in myself and my self-worth. I embrace what makes me unique. I embrace what makes me unique. I believe in myself completely. I believe in myself completely. I trust myself and my intuition. I trust myself and my intuition. I am enough as I am. I am enough as I am. I am worthy of all the good in my life. I am worthy of all the good in my life. I radiate love. I radiate love. I am kind to myself and to others. I am kind to myself and to others. I attract positive and loving relationships. I attract positive and loving relationships. I believe in my inner strength. I believe in my inner strength. I am proud of how far I have come. I am proud of how far I have come. I am grateful for my journey and growth. I am grateful for my journey and growth. I choose to be happy. I choose to be happy. Those are our affirmations for today. Thank you for journeying with me through these affirmations, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day or evening or night. Please join me next week as we discuss affirmations for success.